Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along Bob Iacchino. Another big move in silver, just like gold. We already covered gold. Silver actually gave a divergence signal yesterday, so you see higher high, the daily chart, higher high, lower high in the RSI. Potential divergence sell, gapping below the 12.5, which is a dangerous thing when it just gaps down there, and then coming all the way down to the 25% retracement and prior swing high from where we did our projections. I'm going to move these levels out of the way. It is still closing within the rotation zone on the daily, so it is still in bullish mode on the daily. Next level of support is coming in about 2250. We come down this 4 hour and do a GAN projection. We don't have a pausing bar yet on the 4 hour, but this will give us an idea. And look at that, 2250 and then 2198, so 22 right in line with the 50 period exponential moving average. Should it continue lower, those look like very good levels to the upside. Let's see, we filled that gap. To the upside, I'm going to be watching about 24.25, and then if we get above that, I'm going to have to do some intraday projections, but 24, maybe, yeah, 24.25, and then I'll be going up to about the 1 hour rotation zone in this little support wedge before the sell-off, 25 bucks. So those are the levels. If we did get above 25.30, I'd start watching for the gap fill. There's the gap that's left behind. The full gap fill would be to that open 26.59. This was very overdone. We talked about this even on the weekly. Look how far away it pulled. And if it was the corrected rotation zone on the weekly, that's at 21.19. So we could still even get through these levels and head down to 21.19, and it would just be a normal weekly correction. Really pay attention if we continue to sell off tomorrow, 22.52. That's the bottom of the daily rotation zone and that GAN projection lower. So that's really on a continued sell off. The level I will be focusing in is just below this little support shelf. That's what we have for you on silver, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.